Hi everybody, I'm Gibson Kramer with Promess Incorporated, and we're back here at the Assembly Show. A lot of great stuff to see at the show this year, including new technology from builders and integrators, as well as AI solutions. There are a lot of great events, including engaging networking opportunities, compelling speakers sharing insights on their industries, as well as the annual New Product Awards, where Promess is debuting our H-Series line of presses. The H-Series presses are designed for hazardous environments or where hazardous material is being used. These new presses are Class 2 Division 1 certified, so they can be used on applications or environments with explosive particulates. All of Promess's products are servo-driven, and they provide a high accuracy and repeatability for your process. If you would like to see any of Promess's technology at the show, please see us at booth 305, or you can give us a call at 810-229-9334, or find us on the web at promessinc.com. See you here. Thank you.